Hello, welcome back everybody for another lesson with Mr. K Maths. Haha. So today what we're going to learn about is we're going to learn about any second now. Best buys. Woo! All right, now best buys. This is the part that I'm most excited about because like every good little Asian, we love a good value. We love a good deal. And in my opinion, in my humble opinion, I think this is the greatest application of rates. It's all about finding the best value, and what it means is it means getting more for your dollar. Now, some of you guys may have been asking yourselves, where's the joke this morning? Don't worry, I got one for you right here. Ready? Why don't grocery stores sell sweaters? Because they don't know what the Woolworths. Woolworths? That was a bit of a stretch, wasn't it? But I thought that was a good one. Okay, so let's have a go here. Now, speaking of Woolworths, I've taken a screenshot of some Woolworths stuff. Now, it's not the greatest screenshot, I apologize. But take a look here. We've got Nutri-Grain. This is my cereal of choice in the morning. I've almost finished the box. But here, we can see in Woolworths, you can kind of figure out, okay, what's going to be the best deal for me? Right? If you look at the 805 grams, it's $1.06 per 100 grams. They've written that out nicely for you. You can see that the 500 gram, the middle packet, is $1.35 per 100 grams. So that's a little bit more expensive for what you're getting. And then the last one here, this one's on sale. So this one actually turns out to be 0.85, so 85 cents per 100 grams, by far being the best deal. Now, if it wasn't half price, that would be $1.70 per 100 grams. And so that would actually be quite a lot, but because it's on sale, it ends up being cheaper than all three. Now, in Woolies, they'll often put these things out, and if you read the labels, they'll tell you what it is per 100 grams, and you can kind of see what's your best value, which in this case we can see is your sale. But sometimes they won't give you that. What they'll do is they'll just tell you the two different deals, and you're going to have to pick out the best one yourself. So I'm going to help you figure out how to do that today. I hope you guys also have your calculators with you because they will help. So let's have a go at these questions here. Okay, so simply we just want to find what's going to be the better deal, right? Doggy plus, let's say it's a doggy food. I don't know why it's doggy, but 500 grams of doggy plus costing $3.25, or 750 grams of doggy plus costing $4.65. So first things first is I'm going to do a similar thing to what we did at Woolies. They both compared it per 100 grams, right? So 500 grams, so let's write this down. 500 grams per $3.25, but I want to get it down to 100 grams. So all I'm really doing here is, how did I get from 500 to 100? By dividing or multiplying. Here I'm going to be dividing it by 5. So guess what I do to the other side? I also divide it by 5. And so $3.25 divided by 5. So 3.25 divided by 5. This gives me 0.65. So that gives me 0.65. And so here I can see that it is 65 $65, 65 cents per 100 grams. That's the deal here. Now let's compare it to part B over here. So we've got 750 grams per $4.65. Okay, now again, I want to get it down to 100 grams. Now this one's a little bit trickier to see. What do I need to divide it by this time? Well, in this case, I'm going to have to divide it by 7.5. Okay, so I'm going to divide this side by 7.5 as well. And so let's go $4.65. So 4.65 divided by 7.5 in your calculators. And what you should get is 0.62. And so if we look here, this would be just rewriting it. It's 62 cents per 100 grams. So if we're looking here, which one's the better buy? Which one's the better deal? Now, hopefully you guys can see the better deal is this one's cheaper. For the same value, you're paying, or for the same amount, you're paying a little bit less. So that there would be the better value, right? Better value. Cool. So that there is how you find a best buy using rates. It's very similar to all the work that we've done before. Now remember, the trick is we want to get something consistent between the two. So here what I made the same is I made 100 grams the same. If I wanted to, I could find out how much a dollar would get me, how many grams $1 would get me. And just I'd have to change, but the key is I need something similar between the two so that I can compare them. Hopefully that makes sense. All the best for your work today. I'll catch you guys next time. See you later. Bye.